Alright, a bit early. I was planning on starting it in a minute, but might as well start it now. So, welcome to my first Project Arrhythmia stream in a while. Or at least a little while. Not sure when the last one really was. Let me check that actually. I haven't... Should probably be a little more closer to the mic. My last stream was August, I think, if I remember correctly. Which was a couple of months ago at this point. I think I started having some weird issues with streaming and all that but I finally figured out how to kind of streamline it and make it a little better. And so far... Okay, I'm starting to have issues again. It's weird how it like happens in spikes. Like sometimes it's fine, sometimes it's just Well, all right. Let's get straight to this. Hopefully the stream is fine. Let me check the video first. On my phone, okay. Alright, let's get started. So, first off, I think I'll show off what I've done later. All the different stuff I've been up to lately. After, once people are here, I guess. For the time being, I think I'll go to... I want to work on something. Oh, Tori. I hope my stream is doing fine. Let me check the thing. Drop frames is 2.0%. Okay. Yeah, and again, as I said, I haven't done this in a while. I mean, I've been doing it on Discord for ages, but it's just a YouTube stream I've wanted to do for a while, but I just never really, I don't know, never really wanted to get to it, because it's just, oh, okay, that's really loud for me. I've just never, like, just a few problems started happening, and for whatever reason, like, the quality seemed to have gotten worse. Or the lag just gotten worse. Like since the earlier times when I streamed this year. So I'm not really sure why that happened. Okay, I think I'm not sure about my volume. It seems very loud for me. Tori, can you confirm if this is like... Is this too loud? It's probably not too loud. It's fine for you? Okay. It's too loud for me, so maybe I need to turn this up and then turn the game down through my app settings. No, not there. Sound at volume. Okay, turn it down. Okay, that seemed... Is that fine? Alright, let's get to making some prefabs and such for this part, because I want to actually fill out this first area with something. I'm thinking some kind of bullet to go with the pattern of the song. 1 to 2. Oh, no, that's too high. There we go. What are these bullets? Oh, okay, I haven't actually used those yet here at the start. Okay, I think that's actually for a different thing, so I'm gonna have to make a new set of bullets. Still haven't gotten over my cough, which is another thing that kind of set me back from actually making, like actually making this stuff or streaming. Let me check something real quick. I'm still having some issues, I think. Again, I just gotta make sure everything's troubleshooted and everything works just fine. Okay, I'm not sure how quiet that is, but hopefully it's not too quiet. Yeah, let's create some bullets here. So I'm gonna have a... Or could I do something unique? Oh, your Wi-Fi is not... No, I think it's my Wi-Fi. Because, oh yeah, there's a lot more drop frames now. 2.8%. I think it could be my family doing something on the Wi-Fi. So, yeah. So I'm pretty sure, yeah. It's kind of, it's kind of annoying. I mean, it's pretty late. Like, I'd assume they're probably in bed, but like they still use internet even when they're in bed, which is just weird. Like my youngest brother is always on YouTube Kids. My family's probably always streaming something. Hello, Matt Bernal. How are you doing today? And yes, you might notice that this editor looks very different. Everything looks very different here, if you know PA, at least. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna set up a origin parent here. Mouse keyframe. Bullet origin. Actually, it's p_bullet origin. Bullet. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's good to see that it's the only bullet there. I'll set it to 200, negative 200, because I want it to go from one side of the screen to the other. So let's see. Where does it spawn? It spawns there. You know, I'm gonna have some walls, I think, as well. Just in case. Just to make things a little more tight, I guess. I'll make them yellow. Outbounce. Actually, maybe I could use a different color. Not sure. Or maybe I could do, like, red, and then white. Or orange? I'm not sure. Or Alright, I think that... Make sure it goes to negative, so it's on the other side of the screen. There we go. Make sure this bullet isn't flying too fast across the screen. Let me check my... Roblox Hood 101. Okay, yeah, drop frame seems to be still at the same kind of level, so... yeah, it doesn't seem to be as bad as it used to be before. Which is good. I can make this increase a little more. Yeah, there. A little more exaggerated. Actually, I don't think it needs to be that much. Yeah, okay. Now let's set a randomization pivot. Yeah, like that. Okay, now let's turn this into a prefab. ITZ. It's ITZ bullet 00. I need a bullet 001. ITZ, which stands for Into the Zone, because the song, of course, Into the Zone. ITZ bullet 01. And create. Cool. Now all I need to do is just put this in and drop it in. There we go. Oh crap, I forgot. I forgot the one thing. The one thing that I needed to do was position randomization. Yeah, there we go. 19, negative, and 30. There we go. Wait, what? Apparently there was a way to collapse the prefab objects, but there's no way to do it. Even with hacking, you can't collapse them. So they just take up so much of the timeline. Okay, so the little beat is here. And we got the continuation of the thing there. And there's 2 beats here. Or not beats, melody, little bits, little tunes. I don't know what the word is for the in music theory. Because I never like I had a music class back in high school, but I never actually like and I did want to actually make music, but I was just like everyone else was doing like other kinds of music, and I wanted to study like electronic 8-bit kind of music. Like I wanted to know how people did that, but never, again, our school never really did that. Okay, there's nothing. It lasts a while there, but it doesn't lead into a new melody beat. It's hard to tell that was that last one because how it is. Okay, let's collapse all this stuff to the first bin layer. Ah, crap. The prefab selection bug is kind of getting in the way now. Speaking of getting in the way, my microphone's a little in the way of my screen because the way I have it set up right now. It's not a crazy microphone yet. I don't have one of those yet. But I'll get one someday. Crap. Sorry. Whenever I like click off PA, it just and I continue playing it, it just like the video freezes, but you can still hear the audio. Which is a little weird, I think. Okay, this seems to be... Actually, is it the same pattern as before? Yeah, 1, 2, 3... So 1, 2, space 3. 1, 2, space 3, yeah. And space, and then, yeah. It seems to be the same melody, like all the time. Crap. I hate it when it happens. I think it's because I expanded the prefab before, and so I have to deal with prefab selection bug now. Okay, the tune is here. Yeah. Also, I just realized, yeah, these things are dying, so I need to set this to Nordic Kill for now. For now, until I can get rid of them. Okay, I think that's pretty much different. That's very different. Okay. I do want to reload the editor just because of this bug. So let me quickly do that with this thing. Hang on. Load. Into the zone. Okay, now I can just copy, drag select and copy and paste. Okay. Actually, let me make sure this isn't going to be on beat. So I need, oh, whoops, I need to turn that on. 1, 2, 2, okay. I think the walls are going to disappear here. Yeah. So I need to go to grab this object, the BPM ruler, and go to layer 4. Okay. And have it set to move away with insert like that. What is it set to before? It's 36, yeah, okay. $31, so adding 1 to each. And then setting this to negative each. Okay, now I can set all of these as last keyframe. In fact, I can probably load in my PA console command thing. So let me do that. I don't need that, but I can use this using Unity engine.ui. And yes, so basically this is a whole modding thing that I've worked out, and it's pretty good for efficient level making. So, oh wait, last keyframe. There we go. That should be in it. And now if I compile, all those objects are now last keyframe and collapsed. Easy as that. Can't show everything though. I do want to have one part be a certain character, so we just need to find it. I think Pandex. Which one was it? I think it was this one. I should still have the theme, I think. Hopefully. Yeah, I do. Okay, I just gotta remember, like, I gotta listen to this part a few times. I know, like, one thing that the creator of this character likes to do is have, like, a soul kind of outer ring border kind of thing. So, underscore soul border. Then let's create a object. I'll need this to actually be the Pandex theme though. Where did I put that one? Layer 3. Okay, now I need to set the origin point. Actually, don't really remember how I did it. So I need to copy and paste the command. Origin dot y equals 1f. Yeah, now it's over there. But I need it to be maybe -5. Now let's see. Oh, yeah, it's disappeared already, so I need to bring it back. Set it to perhaps -1. Or, no, that's a bit too low. -3? Yeah, that could work. That could work a little better. Okay. Let's keyframe or I'll copy and paste this and set that as the song time. Just so I can have all the objects spawn before. Let's move over there and continue rotating. And there we go. We got a saw kind of thing going on there. Now I need to set the origin point to 0, rotation to 0, and scale this circle border up. Yes, so this Sora border uses only one parent. In fact, it doesn't even have parents because I forgot to set it. Oh no, okay, at least I can... Okay, what I can do is I can get ID. That should work. Yes, there we go. Grab that ID, and then grab all of that. Parent equals ID and compile. And did that work? No, of course it didn't work. Wait, what did I do wrong? I thought I did it right. Oh, wait, no, I forgot. Yeah, that's right. I need to actually add the for each command thing. Because this basically does nothing. It only affects one single object. Crap, my phone just decided to go and do nothing. Okay, let's copy and paste that, and then copy and paste this line. Actually, no, I don't need that line. I just need the dot parent. There we go. And compile. Boom, and that should work. Yes, there we go, it worked. Although, wait, I don't actually know how to do the origin, the scale parenting yet. I really don't like how the game just like deselects the keyframe. It's weird. Like when you go to a different object, it just deselects it and it doesn't re-select it. So I'm gonna have to go through all these objects until I can figure that out, because I actually don't know. And having a scale parenting is pretty necessary for this part, especially for like a border kind of thing. And then we can set it to scale 3, and then we can zoom it in. So where's the BPM ruler? I need that. Layer 4? Yeah, layer 4. So I need this to be on layer 3. Let's see how far that can go. Probably 0.2. Make it like kind of go in every single beat. Yeah, that seems about right. And then it's going to scale back to 3. Let's see, insert. Nah, not powerful enough. Okay, so we got that, and then the other. So that means there's only 3 other parts I have to do after I do this one. Well, at least as much as I can do, really. Blue Merg. So I just need this model, and I also need to set this to editor data dot collapse equals false. No, not false. True. And done. Okay, but I do need to set this back a bit. Zero 0.01, just in case there's any text object. Yeah, there we go. Is the face supposed to be? Yeah, the face is supposed to be like that. Okay, this is kind of weirdly organized. The hand naming is wrong. It's supposed to be left hand and not hand left. Doesn't matter all that much, but it's still like it's still nice to be consistent. Or be more consistent than this. And then the head. I'm not sure if I'm going to need an X and Y parent yet, but we'll see. Or an X and Y parent for the head, but we'll see again. And then the character will despawn right about here. So let me grab the command. I do actually need to grab this time first. And set the auto-kill time to that. And there we go. And it already disappears. I need it to. And now I've got to figure out what to do for these other two parts. I have to take some inspiration from what, like, from stuff that Murga's done lately. In fact, this this very level is going to release around when it gets to when he gets into his late 990 subscribers, because this level is actually for his 1 million subscribers special. For those that haven't really that aren't in the Discord and haven't really been seeing what's up to, what I'm up to. Hello. I don't speak I only speak English. Sorry. So I can't really understand what you're saying there. Let me search for my characters. See if there's any characters I could put in here, perhaps. Specifically something from... Oh, actually, maybe I could just maybe I could put the battle cube here. Let me set the collapse. Battle cube. What is the battle cube all about? Doesn't seem to be right. Count down. I know I have a thing called, yeah, countdown. There it is. I do need to rename that at some point. Okay, but it doesn't need to have the stretch parent, it just needs the X, Y, and root scale. And there we go. Then for this part, I need to have RT Mecha theme. I think it's RT Mecha. Yeah, it is, but the colors are incorrect. So I need to set the that color to black. There we go. And that's all I need to do. Okay, so number placeholder. So that's going to be the placeholder for now, because I need to set this to last keyframe. Actually, no, I'll set it to last keyframe offset, and that'll do that. And then I'll move it by 1 second. There. So it's 1, 2, 3. Crap, don't do that. Don't do that. Last keyframe. I'm pretty sure this is what the voice is saying. I can't be 100% sure. Like, check the break. To hate, I think that's what it's saying. I'd have to correct it myself if I'm wrong. Yeah, there. Okay, I think that's... Yeah. That's what I needed it to be there. And then, as for the other objects, I need those to be auto-killed. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and these objects. Compile. And there we go. Well, except for the fact that these ones need to instead just not go for as long. Set song time again. Sorry. Still got the coughs again. Gonna have to... Still trying to get it sorted. And that leaves 2 more spots open for 2 more characters. Oh yeah, that's right. I need actually need all of these objects to be put in layer 2. Editor data dot layer equals 1. compile, and same goes for all of these objects too. So 2 more spots open. Is there any characters I haven't used yet? That could be kind of relevant to this. Wait, is that the same? No, it's not the same prefab. So, don't think I'm going to be using that one, because I don't think it's relevant to Merrick here. Hello, Spiral. How are you doing? Just gotta find a good prefab or good character to use for this. I can't use jams makers. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Can't use jams makers. I think if I were to use it, it would have to be a longer part. And the thing with this boss rush, each part is like, how long? Like 4 seconds long? Yeah, pretty much 4 seconds long per segment. If not like a little longer. So, yeah. Alright. Actually, let me listen to this part a bit. Just need to find a character that is like I feel like I could use here. Actually, maybe what about the last part? Okay, I have an idea for this last part potentially. Let me write down. Actually, did I have an idea for this part? Oh yeah, I was supposed to bring a character that does the frisk dance. That'd have to be a specific character that has like a back model, like a front model and a back model. I need something like that if I'm to do it in a certain part, because I still need to do that reference. I don't think what I'm looking for is up there. I think it's... I want to use this dude, potentially. There it is. And then should be able to just place it here. It's a pretty big prefab. It's got a lot of stuff going on with it. I know for a fact the middle spiral thing is a text object, so I'm going to have to spawn it from 0.001. Otherwise it's going to glitch out. Then all these objects here need to go to layer 1. Yeah. Actually, can I do that? Is there anything conflicting? No, there's not. Okay, I can do that. There we go. And here I can autokill all of these objects as well. And compile. There we go. And then that leaves one more part to do, which I'm not really sure what I could do for this one. Again, because I'm just going through all the different prefabs and such to kind of figure out. We could maybe have 2 characters or something like in this single part. Or I could have I'm not sure. Okay, let's get to... Okay, this part I think I need to do more... or do something from the bottom of the screen. I want to have, like, beams come from the bottom and kind of shoot upwards. So... first off, I'm going to need a empty. What do I call this? Yeah, I'm not gonna, I don't care too much. And then I'm going to create another object. I'll call this something else. This will be the base. Oh crap. How many objects does this level have already? Almost 2,000 already, I think. Potentially. If I set this to normal, and I copy this name, and then put it here, it's over 2,000, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm gonna have, yeah, I'm gonna have this object. Like that. Maybe I'll have a pink core and then a pink or dark pink outline. Or a bright pink outline. Yeah, like that. Depth equal plus equals 5. Because I just want it to be above the other stuff. Or above the character. Wait, no, that's not, no, that's going the other way. I need to go the other way. Hello, Ultimate Phoenix Dash. How are you doing today? Let's move this down and then move it back up a little, just so you see it. Hello, Power Beans. Good to see you. Yeah, it's been a while. The reason I haven't been able to stream, or I haven't really streamed in a while, because I've just never really been motivated to do it, or properly do it, and I've had some lagging issues. Like the stream would always just end up lagging, and if I tried to stream, I think it's because I set my stream qualities to be too high, so I tried to lower the quality down a little, and it's working just fine now. Currently the drop frames is sitting at a nice 0.7%, and it's been going on for an hour, so I think it's going great, or it's going at least good, I think. And another reason, I think, because I have a bit of a cough. I've had a cough for a while. I'm still need to get it sorted. I'm doing a few different things to fix it, but yeah. Yeah, I got sick. And I'm still kind of sick. Yeah, I've been sick for like a couple months now with something. That's because of like a certain thing that I'm not actually going to get into because it's kind of weird. Oh, there's someone random. Yeah, I decided to stream after who knows how long. Since August, I think. Yeah. I'm having an appointment next year, or sometime early next year. I'm hoping that can help. That can help me get this fixed. Thanks, guys. Okay, let's move this over here. Okay, maybe 52. 52. Nah, people can hug the wall. 52.5. Negative 30. ITZ. Oh, no, ITZ. Please, into the zone. There. Just a bit of lag, because I have so many prefabs. Yeah, squid. There's squid. IGZ beam 00. Create prefab. And I need the, yeah, the beam has to happen where? What's the offset? Okay. Like that. IGZ beam 00, and then set the prefab lead time to negative 1.5999. And then I can just delete this object. Never mind then, I can just not delete the object apparently. There we go. Oh, orange Soren. Yeah, it's squid. But there's a whole lot more than just squid here. Nope, it's not a new editor. It's the same old editor that you're pretty familiar with. But things are, let's just say, very, very different. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah, so basically, I've done a whole lot of modding to this game. I've been, like, getting better and better at, like, modding this game since, like middle of this year. Getting into a lot more. You can kind of already see, like, a lot of stuff different. Like, my cursor is a different color. The timeline scrubber thing that I'm moving around right now. Like just imagine walking and then the next thing you know, you see a huge robot cat or something. Yeah, it'd be weird, especially with the way they're styled. Like you're just seeing a floating head with hands. Also, hello, Tornado 747. How are you doing? I think it's the PA's almost dead. Yeah. I mean, I got my own things to do. Like, specifically related to PA, but, like, it's a separate thing that is, kind of, you know... and I'm pretty happy with what's going on. Yeah, basically, so right now I'm making a boss rush thing for Merg. The YouTuber Merg. He's almost at 1 million subscribers, so I wanted to make this little boss rush animation thingy for his 1 million subscriber special. I've already shown this segment to the... Oh yeah, and then that's where I left it off with the preview that I showed before. So where was I? So yeah, you managed to make your friend get into PA? That's cool. Yeah. And then actually, okay, the thing about... So, the thing about We as Snail is there's a whole concept of, like, the AI predicting your movements, so... Maybe this part, like here, I could have some kind of, like... I don't know, some kind of thing that, like, guides you along to do something else. Let's say... Actually, how could I lead that into the next part? What is the next part? Okay, next part is that one. So maybe something that like forces you to go to the center, and then you have to go outwards to the outside. Okay. Something brings you to the center. And then you have to escape this part. And here I'm supposed to do the frisk dance meme. Or actually somewhere at least. I don't think it has to be this part specifically, but it's still somewhere. I want to reference it somehow. Basically where a character's like pushing against the wall when they're like and they're moving, like they're flipping from their front frame to their back frame constantly. And also going over the changes, you might notice the player here is very different. I can show you over here. I'll get rid of this text first, so you can just see. There's a bit of lag here because I think there's so many objects on screen in the timeline. On this timeline, there's not as many objects because I managed to keep it all nice and tidy. But yeah, as you can see, the player is very different here. I'll have to get another theme for this RT, like maybe. Or actually, what color kind of works best with this? All white. Yeah, there. So as you can see, yeah, the player looks very different. It's got a whole trail thing behind it. It only has 1 health, and it has the kind of different shapes. So yeah, this is a combination of several different mods that I've made. So like one thing is like the shape of the player is made by another modder called Ensharp. He's the one who made the that's cool. Yeah, so yeah, he made the mod that allows you to change the shape of the player. It's called Custom Player Shapes. Basically, you can like set the shape of the player to be anything you want, like square, square outline, let's say even half circles, or just any kind of shape, even top arrows, whatever. And you can even set the size to like whatever you want. So like this can be instead 4 or 6 or 100. And then it's funny to see that it move around. It looks like a laser party right there. Okay, let's set this back to 2 though. Where was the triangle there? And yeah, and then the trail thing behind it is a custom mod that I made, which basically makes or adds the trail to. Does it change the hitbox? No, it doesn't. As far as I know, actually. I never tested that. I'm gonna have to test that later. See if I can change the way the hitbox works, but if I can, that'd be cool. I should just use the number 3 to replace E. What? And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it when it comes to the player there. You can customize all kinds of aspects with it though. Hang on, not that window. You can change the shapes of the trail, and you can disable them and enable them. Not with this mod, you can't disable them with this mod, you can only scale them down, but then that kind of causes an issue with the trail not working correctly. But with my mod, you can disable certain parts of the trail, and you can have a player that looks like this. And also, you can also customize the... Hang on, let me set the time to 0 so you can hear me best. You can set the... You can customize the marker timeline. No, not marker. The checkpoint timeline thing at the side. Usually it's at the bottom of the screen, and there's like 2 very thin bars at either side of it. But here I've turned them into diamond shapes, and it's on the side of the screen instead of the bottom. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it as that way. I might put that into a specific series, but we'll see. Set this back to 0. Because I remember that one time, because I kept saying stuff like the 3 by accident. throwing a great question because I can't answer it. Yeah. Again, I don't know. I don't think it does. Actually, yeah, let me quickly test that. So, create in order to kill. Scale this up. And let's, no, not that window. I keep opening that window, but we're not going to get into that yet. So, if I set this to like 100, what happens if I go full screen? Nothing. So yeah, there's a certain radius where... Crap. There's a certain radius where your thing... actually, I don't think it has anything to do with the shape itself. I think it's more of a part of the code, a line of code that tells it to like get hit if it something enters the area. Oh no, I don't think it's you. I don't think it's you. It's me. My internet's still kind of weird. Wait, why is it doing that? Don't think it should be doing that. Yeah. There. Okay. Okay, where were we up to before? I was doing squid, I think. So we're gonna have to find squid. I think squid's here. Yeah, there. So maybe I could have like some kind of border around the screen or something. Or you know, I could actually probably show off a little bit of stuff, other stuff that I'm working on. Yep. Let's go from like the top to bottom. So no, not that. Don't want to show that yet. Let's see. Milkshake. Black and white part. There's actually nothing in the black and white part there. I think that's going to be the end of the level, but it depends on if I finish it. If I finish it way before its time, and I also finish remastering the original poker level, then I might end up adding more to the boss rush. So here's another thing that I like kind of been working on, but I kind of postponed quite a bit because I just not really motivated to do it. Even though I had a lot of fun animating it at first, it just kind of got tedious and I just didn't like continuing it. It's this boss right here, Hebe. This little worm. Yeah, this little worm right here. It's a little annoying to animate, but it's well, not really annoying. It's just more boring, I think, because it's not really like there's nothing too interesting you can do with animating this thing, and so it just kind of got boring to make something for. Like, I think the first segment is probably my favorite. Like the first half of this level, it's probably my favorite part of it, because there's also this like little training section. Which I thoroughly enjoy, and then everything after that point is just kind of, yeah, kind of forced and not really done well. No, didn't mean to bring that window open. Yeah, also I've been working on trying to separate this newer side story. So, originally for the Classic Arrhythmia collection, I wanted to do a newer like collection kind of travel level, if that makes sense, like a very long PI level, but it's like all the, well, most of the medical escapism levels in the PA story mode all put together. So I tried doing that, but it started getting really laggy. Okay, I have no idea what happened there. Some major lag just hit me out of nowhere. Australian internet, gotta love it. Totally being serious. What was I saying before? Right, I got the Classic Arrhythmia stuff. The medical case of escapism levels. Yeah, it's my internet. Oh wait, you can't? Wait, is it still going? Yeah, it's still going, so I don't know what's going on there. Let me check. Okay, it seems fine. Oh. Okay. Yeah, newer. So this is the medical escapism story mode version of thing. I don't know. I'm sure you can. It's probably fine now. But yeah, I don't know. The internet here is really weird. I never used to have this problem happen. Maybe I did, but I don't really remember if it was. So yeah, oh yeah, back to this newer. This, okay, it's fine now. Yeah, good. What segment could I show? I don't want to show the final segment because I think that's really, really crazy cool and all that. I could maybe show... I'll show this segment here. So this part is actually really different from the original. Oh yeah, this part is pretty much the same as before. But yeah, and then yeah, pretty much the only things that are changed are the parts where like certain levels weren't included in this story mode DLC thing or side story thing. Like the reason this part is different is because the Running My Head level wasn't actually, or even the song itself wasn't even included when the developer bought some of the Shadowrun songs into the PA OST. And even the level itself wasn't even added to the game, the side story of the game. So I replaced it. So I made this part based on Regain Control. Like the first half, like there's one segment where you have the bouncing blocks from the sides of the like center block. So I took inspiration from that part. And then second part, pretty much the same as before. And since there's no... I think there's one level that's missing as well. Yeah, that's right. It was the City Patrol Stage B. So the final segment is actually also very different. But you're going to have to wait until I release this level for you to see that. Oh, you got a new dog? That's cool. Yeah, I also have a new dog, too. A little, well, not actually that little anymore. Yeah, pretty big dog at this point. What's up, Parabeans? Okay, I don't think I did anything. I didn't do anything here aside from create a model, but that's something we can show later. Or I can work on later. Is a Shiba Inu, and he's less than a year old. Aw. Also, you go to sleep now? Good night, Tori. Guess what? Chicken butt. Okay. Okay, that's just completely random. What else do we have to show? Some other kind of stuff I've been working on. Oh yeah, so if you haven't seen my behind the scenes channel, stuff that my behind the scenes channel has been posting, I will show you kind of some of the stuff I've already posted there. This Undertale collab thing is really crazy. I really like how I did it. Let's take a moment to load because there's so many things happening here with this. All right, let's show the. Yeah, it's pretty sick, I think. Really happy with how it turned out. And it's surprising because I never really had planned to use like Camellia music before. Surprisingly, it just like turned out to be like the right amount of like kind of hype for this kind of idea, with all that kind of stuff happening at once. Oh yeah, and also yesterday I made a new model. This is what I was talking about. What do you mean? And then you see that. What's in layer 2? Okay, layer 2 is the starting character. Layer 3. Okay, I probably should. If I click apply, okay, that doesn't do anything weird. This shouldn't either. Okay, so if I get rid of those two, because I don't want to... I mean, you've probably seen them before if you've seen the behind the scenes channel, but still. Blue square. Hello, Guiding Plush. What? I am so confused. The player's gold from Just JSaB. What? Wait. Oh, that's right. Isn't the triangle yellow in Just Shapes and Beats? Like the triangle player? If I remember correctly, it is. Yeah. Wait, wait. That means that the player, the triangle player from Just Shapes and Beats is technically Bill Cipher, if you really think about it. And no, the blue square is not a character, it's the first object cameo. It's the first object that is placed in the level automatically when you create a new level. It's not a character. But you know what is a character? We'll get to this in a moment. It does? Yep. Okay. You know what is a character? This dude. This dude is a character. Soundwave from Transformers Prime. Does look like Bill Guy. Yeah, so this is Soundwave from Transformers Prime. I think actually I need to adjust the panels a little more. I'm not sure how I feel about them being so far apart. Maybe so low. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this dude is going to be the Soundwave that you're going to see in the Rhythm Tech series. There is another Soundwave model that does exist. I can't really... I could just... Actually, you know, I'll scale this guy down. And then I'll show you the other design with the other theme. Sound... No Y. There we go. If I go to... Soundwave, there we go. So... This is what I was going to use initially for Rhythm Tech. But then I was like, should I really use this guy? I don't know if I really want to use him. Oh, it's the real How. Hello. Yeah, so like I initially wanted to use this Soundwave for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I guess I just wanted to like I wanted to have some kind of sound wave in the series, so I just made this one. Then I recently rewatched the Transformers Prime series, and I was like, you know what? Transformers Prime Soundwave is pretty sick. Oh, okay, that's the wrong color scheme again. But yeah, pretty happy with how this model turned out. I've managed to really capture the design, I think. Not a triangle. Yeah, of course you're not a triangle. But this is. Also started to work on a little animation thingy. This is kind of like a good practice to make like a boss fight, like two bosses fighting each other. Well, more specifically like a character fighting a boss. That isn't the player. So let me show you this. Boom. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. There's a lot of different techniques happening here with this. So kind of first starting off with this. Of course, you have the big enemy back here, layered back. What are you doing? Wow, that's animal abuse. Who said these were animals? Who said Mecha here was an animal? I mean, it's in his name, isn't it? But yeah, so like a lot of different things happening. I'm not sure what I could really tell here. You have the some movements are like the way I had to do like this, like where he grabs that. I had to copy and paste the keyframes from the hands and the mecha, and then make it do that. And I think at that point I also added the kind of hashtag to make it clear that he's like kind of injured here. And then this, yeah, please stop spamming. And then this part, I had to go through each individual object and copy and paste the same set of keyframes and adjust them to what color it is before. Like if it's purple, then I change these keyframes to purple, and the last one as well. But the other two are staying white because in order to give her the effect that she's morphing into the hammer, I change her entire, like, every single one of her object to white, and then I scale her down to 0, or scale her X to 0, and then I scale the hammer's X from 0 to 1, and then you kind of got that morphing effect going on there. Which I think is pretty cool. And then after that point, I want to have the big character back here pick up the hammer and swing it around, which I think is going to be pretty cool to do. But that's something more for the future, I think. What else could I show off that I've kind of done, that I've done lately? Oh yeah, sorry, someone random. I've actually... one of the reasons why I haven't been streaming lately is because I've just been kind of sick. And haven't been able to do... like, I feel like my cough would get in the way of streaming. But I'm just putting up with it for now. Oh yeah, so here also... Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot about that. Forgot about that. Past so many danger. What? Okay. This is also a pretty cool animation thingy, but it's kind of pretty much pretty unfinished. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue anytime soon, but yeah. Sound dodger reference. And speaking of sound dodger reference, there's also another sound dodger reference in this level. And one thing lately, I've been getting into this artist called Garligan. They make some really cool, really good music, I think. Oh no, spoilers, mega spoilers. Nope. I forgot I didn't remove that model. I should probably do that right now. It's gone. Now it's fully gone. Okay. Well, you saw a quick little sneak peek to something that's way distant in the future. First part sounded like something my friend would make. No. So, yeah, I've been getting to Garligan recently, and I think he's a pretty good artist for rhythm tech especially, because I kind of like some of his music, and this is something I made for it. You'll see another sound dodge reference there. Yeah, pretty cool. And this character here is Crystal. That old Crystal character that I had. But I decided to redesign it so it has has floppy ears instead of the pointed ones. It has a little beanie, because that's something I've wanted to do for a design for a while. And I didn't do it initially because I wanted it to be more consistent with the other characters, but then I was just like, why not? And I think it works out better in the long run. K. Crystal with a K. I'm not sure why I called her that. I think it's because of, like the naming or something. Yeah, it says up there, if I can find it there. Yeah, this object here. It says the name up there. Crystal. You remember from Close to Me? Yes. It's referring to that character. Yeah, Crystal is in pretty much all the, like, she's in that original universe, and she's also in this one, and this one is rhythm tech. And you don't restore the heart. Wait, what do you mean? If I don't restore the heart, I must restore the heart. What are you talking about? What? Actually, speaking of hearts, there's a little weird thing with the game. So if I go into full screen, actually no. First off, there's so much to get into because I've been away for so long. So first off. Okay, there we go. That took a moment. I don't know what's going on. There must be something to do with the weather or something stupid like that. Or whatever. What was I saying? I keep getting distracted. I'm so confused. Okay, whatever. So what was I doing? Alright, right. So I wanted to show you this thing off. So there's this... What are you guys doing? You're just being chaotic in chat. The chat is being completely chaotic. So I have this whole other window. So it's kind of like this one. This one's more for just like configuring mods that I have installed into the game already. But the other one is for directly modifying the game. It has this whole computer console thing, so you can actually input commands, like, you know, Minecraft, kind of like Minecraft commands, but it's actually like actual code that you can insert into the thing. You have a log, so you can know if you've done something right or wrong, and you can kind of troubleshoot that. And then there's the whole Object Explorer, which is shows every single Unity engine kind of object in the scene. So if I go through this entire coding looks hard, but I think it'll be easy. I just gotta learn. Yeah, for me it's very hard. It was very hard getting to where I am now, but yeah. So I can actually go through this entire like list of objects here, and I can see all the different stuff. I'll actually minimize those windows because I don't need them for now. Like if I go to this, editor dialogues, I can actually disable this. It's gone, and now it's back, and now it's gone, and now it's back again. And I can even remove specific parts, like the timeline. Yeah, that is weird. That is weird just seeing the timeline there. Or even the other way around. There's no timeline. There never was a timeline. And you can also get event object dialog. You can enable all the different stuff. It's pretty cool. And there's even some weird stuff, like some weird hidden objects that aren't normally enabled. Like up there is a tooltip object. But it's completely disabled. I think it's supposed to work like something in the editor where like when you hover your mouse over something, it shows. Oh yeah, that's drag image pop-ups. Got a few different stuff. I got object selection, color picker, prefab pop-up. But I've already rendered that. Save as, parent, file info, open file pop-up. That's all my levels. And new level pop-up, which actually has another window attached to it, so you can actually look through all kinds of stuff there. And that's pretty much there. I'm pretty sure. And there's this whole other unused like window that is that exists in the game but isn't really used, and it's this. It's whatever this is. This goes completely unused in the game, and I think there's supposed to be more to this if I remember correctly. Content, level card, yeah, there we go. It's kind of interesting. Oh, this is from like, oh no. China's being crazy again. Yeah, level card. I don't think there's anything else there, but it's pretty interesting that this like exists in the game, but it goes unused. I think it's because she never, the creator of the game never finished it. And also, speaking of hearts earlier, guys, if you're paying attention, I'm going to Player's UI, health, enable that, and then if I go into full screen, boom, we have some random weird hearts at the top. This is actually a remnant from a very old version of the game, before the player even had a tail. And these hearts would be used as a way to indicate the health of the player. So if I go into this, there's actually 4 sets, and each 4 sets can actually have 5 health. So it's kind of interesting how this existed for a time and then was removed, and how things changed. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it as well. Oh, you can re-enable the editor GUI, which is weird. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh yeah, there's another like player complete thing there, which actually re-enables your health for some reason. That's weird. Oh yeah, theme preview, which doesn't exist. I think. Well, it does exist, but it doesn't work. It doesn't show anything. Oh yeah, I need to close out of that. So, what else have I been up to? Oh yeah, Alacrit. So, another thing I started doing is remaking Alacrit.
Let's go!
Yeah, that's pretty much all I've been able to... What are you guys doing? That's pretty much all I've been able to do so far with this thing. But I'm pretty happy with it. And it's what I wanted it to be as well, and not something that someone else wanted. And Boomslayer I've also been remastering. Because that original level is just... like, it's cool and all, but I don't know, I don't really like it all that much. Oh wait, I need to actually get rid of this one. This is actually the current model, where it has 2 rings instead of 1, which I think works a lot better. It also makes more sense with the way this other square works. So if I go here, there we go. Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, and the big thing, Deadlocked V2. Another remaster remake. But this one, Deadlocked V2 is what's happening. Is like what is most definitely happening. Probably not this year. Probably sometime early next year. I'm hoping that's what I'm aiming for. The release date. Hey, Kukub. Good to see you here. Yeah, and it's good to be back as well. Good to be back to streaming on YouTube again. After so long. Oh no. Hal has completely caused so much chaos in the chat. It's just hilarious. So, what part could I show that I've done so far? Now, I'll show the introductory segment here. Oh, wait, whoops, frick. I forgot. Hang on, I need to go into the console and type in this command. There we go. The object's now back. Yeah, I hope to, is my stream still doing fine? Yeah, it's fine. It's actually at 0.0% drop frames, weirdly enough. But yeah, so I want to actually work on that over time. Wait, is it just me or was the cough perfectly timed? What do you mean? Oh, time to the music? Yeah, I sometimes do that weirdly. Like, sometimes when I'm, like, playing, like, when I start playing the song, when I get to a certain point, I just, like, cough. it's weird. Like, I'm just, like, listening to the song, and I'm like... yeah, it's weird. I did that on purpose that time, but just, like, a lot of other times it's weird. But yeah, I do recommend, you and Hal start calming down a little more, please. Okay, what else is there I could kind of show off? Oh yeah, I was supposed to do a little boss rush thing for my anniversary because it was only a few days ago when it was my 4th Project Arrhythmia anniversary. Now at this point, and now at this point, over 4 years ago, is when I got introduced to the game, and I'm really happy I did. I don't know where I'd be now without it. But yeah, so I wanted to I did want to release this for the anniversary, for my anniversary, but I never, like, I don't know. I'm not too happy with it. I'm not too happy with how it turned out. I mean, it's cool cool and all, but I'm not sure about the quality of it, so I didn't release it. Well, it's just 3. There's a whole lot more. There's a whole lot more things going on there. Also, I highly recommend you please stop the role playing in the chat, please. Like, having Hal there was fine, but now you're getting someone that probably really shouldn't have been here. Okay, so I have 2 more characters to put in here. Or not 2 more, 1 more character. Because we have this part. What character haven't I used yet? Not really sure. But I want to. Hang on, I'll be right back. I gotta message something. Yeah, please do stop role-playing. It's not very necessary. If you don't stop role-playing, I'm gonna have to mute you. Actually, I haven't used Classic yet. Then again, I already used... I want to have it be something different, something interesting. Wait, what's the... BPM is the... what it was before, that's good. I'll see you somewhere random. Where you mute again. Okay, I'm gonna have to mute you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put you on timeout. Please do stop that. Okay, now for this part. Wait, why is that happening? Oh, it's just spawning. Okay, I need to actually get the object there. Our keyframe 0.01. There we go. Now it spawns in. Is that Juan Tito? Oh yes, actually it's Juan Tito's character appendix. And I want to have it for this part. And for the previous part, it's Cortar. And then this part, I'm not sure, but yeah. That means pretty much every single part is filled, aside from this one part here. And potentially the last part, but I'm not sure about this second half. If I'll end up doing a boss segment for that. So, oh yeah, Juan Tito, I need to ask, do you have any ideas for, like, this part? Actually, I probably should zoom it out a bit more and have the camera, or not have the camera, but have the thing here. Sorry for the lag. Yeah, this is the Merg boss rush. Actually, it would be better for it to be 1.5 instead of... Just so we have enough room for stuff going on. There you go. And it's pretty optimized because you have the saws that are all parented to one object, and they're all using an origin offset. So it's pretty cool. Then when it comes to the movement, I'm not sure, but let's see. Maybe for like... Maybe for this part you have appendix kind of shoot some kind of laser or something. This part's been a bit like weird to make something to, because it's just like so weird and funky, I think, and it's just weird. Right, and then this part I need to do that. Hey, ethanol. Or Ethan. It just makes me think of a... something. Like a medicine. Ethanol. Or... I don't know, something like that. Or maybe I could have, you know, I'll have some objects kind of... Yeah, I did tell you to stop. A face with hitbox. A face with hitbox, what? What? This thing has no hitbox. You don't get hit by it, I'm pretty sure. They're all decoration objects. And I actually don't want to go to that layer because it's very laggy on that layer because there's so many objects happening on it. I'm not talking about you, Orange Soren. Okay, maybe I could have, yeah, that, and then have a beam scale up from 0. And then scale down, like this. Or then maybe I could have some beam. Actually, no, it'd be better for me to just copy and paste this object. And then yeah, 3 viewers. That's fine. Who didn't leave? I don't know. It's probably fine. Sorry for being very quiet right now. I'm just trying to focus on making this thing. It's probably just you. Yeah, the other viewer is actually a bot because I currently have a OBS thing. I have a thing with OBS right now that I can actually like see the chat on in OBS, so I can actually, you know, even though I'm not really using it right now, it's just kind of just there. Oh, okay. Then I'm not sure why the YouTube thing is inaccurate. It's kind of weird. Just got back from doing a quick thing though. Okay. I want to try something else now. Oh yeah, another thing. I have another thing to work on. It's for another collab. It's a Portal collab. I mean, it obviously has nothing so far, but I want to make it somewhat like a fusion of the first. No. You shouldn't even have that name. Or even that character. So, the... wait, what is this doing here? Why is it not a kill? That's weird. Okay, 128 BPM. I think that's what this song is set to. So yeah, I want to have this like introductory segment to be similar to no. I said no. Wait, there's another BPM thing there. Weird. Not sure why I did it like that, but okay. Yeah, why don't you be like a fusion of the first game and the second game when it comes to the introductory kind of thing? So I'd have to think of like... Sorry about that. I'm thinking about like a kind of like a pattern. Like some kind of... No! I said no! Not at all. And I recommend you change your account back to Hal. Because you don't wanna be associated with that person. The person that made that thing. I won't get into it because it is long gone by now, but it's still something you don't want to associate yourself with. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get to the Portal collab at the moment, but there's definitely other things I can get to. Oh yeah, Renihilation. My history is how? Yes. I'm pretty sure they're the same account, or the same person. So, this was using the latest KXO song. In fact, no, because Crystal's right here. So, this is not Crystal, but this is. So then who is this? I know they look similar to the Rhythm Tech one, but, you know, they're different. They're clearly different. They have different color objects. Like their tail's more of a red. The fur color is more of a red, and they have a cowboy kind of Western style hat. Welcome back. Yeah, okay, so renulation. What else do I want to do? I want to use a... Oh, also, I'm pretty sure the song might end up being copyrighted, because the one on the video on it on my BTS channel got a copyright thing. Not a strike. It just plays ads now. I want to look through my songs folder. G slash. I want to select a song, like maybe a Gulligan song. Wait, what? What did I just do? Okay. I actually can't even tell what songs these are. Wait. Impulse. Only this. Holography. Maybe holography. You know, I'll try out holography. Gotta make sure it's in the MISC category first before I decide to change it up. So, I'm not sure what I could do for this. I remember there was an old, like a very, very old level that I had kind of work in progress, but I never finished it. I don't think I'm going to end up redoing that. Also, this lag. Why is it lagging when I'm duplicating the object? That really shouldn't be happening. Weird. Can you not do that, please? Stop. Can you stop doing that? Is your last warning? Yeah, no. Please in timeout. This is your last warning. Can't have you constantly spamming chat with whatever random crap. Yep. Okay, well, let's see. There's actually one part of the song I really wanted to, like... So this kind of part here... Yeah, right there. I actually do need to find out the BPM of the song. Because then I can use that to my advantage. Let's see... Garlic and... holography... BPM. 128, okay. Surprisingly, it's already that. Cool. It's already set to that. Now I just need to bring in the BPM ruler. BPM ruler. $128. There we go. Pretty sure it's only the other person that just got muted. Let me think of a character I could use for this. I don't think I'm going to do Divide Destruction. I need Divide Destruction characters, or DGD characters. Think about holography this side. What's a universe I haven't really touched upon lately? Puppet World. It's more of just a side thing. Classic Arrhythmia, Defy Destruction, Rhythm Tech. One of the main ones, but no Project Moon. Well, there was one recently, but I guess I could do a Project Moon thing here. Unless... I mean, what character could I even use from Project Moon? Incure, maybe? I don't know. Tornado, 747. I mean, it does say 4 viewers right now, but it could be very inaccurate. What character haven't I used in animation yet? Mage. I haven't actually used Mage yet. But I'm not sure if I want to do that yet. I don't know. If they could be bots, which might be bad actually. Not like the I know one of them is the YouTube bot, OBS bot, but I don't know about the other ones. You know what? I'm gonna go. Yeah, this dude. Okay, I'm gonna bring him over here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have like maybe some kind of atmospheric kind of thing, like maybe a cave. I'm thinking. I don't know. Yeah, please do stop spamming and like saying random things for just for sake of random saying it. I'm serious when I say that. I don't know if you just can't tell for some reason. Yeah, please don't do that again. As I said. Yeah, you're breaking the rules, so you get muted. As the wait, does this? There were rules in the old description that I had. I'd have to put them back at some point, but well, no, it's not trolling. I'm actually being serious with this. Okay, so I'm thinking like kind of triangular gemstones, because the thing with Mage is he uses like he can spawn crystals. So p_crystal or like gemstone kind of things, you know, I'll just call it gem, just so I'm not confused with certain characters or certain things. Normal. Okay, so right there, I think, is where the objects should despawn. No, we're not calling it a triangle. This is a... we're talking about this triangle right here. Also, in fact, you know what? When it comes to the player, boom, it's gone. Goodbye. No, it's gone. It's actually completely gone. It doesn't take any damage now. The nanobot is this thing. This is the nanobot. You are a nanobot, in fact. Hal isn't even the thing that you play as in the game. It's the character that controls it in the thing. My internet's being fine. It's 4,000 kilobytes per second still. Wi-Fi, okay. Yeah, that's something that the whole HAL nanobot thing is something that certain people wouldn't care to mention or figure out for themselves, and instead just misinformed everyone with how it actually works. What? Sometimes it gets no light here in Brazil. Okay. Where's Tornado? I don't know. Having some internet issues, I guess, probably. Okay, now let's get this triangle and move it to the other side. But this time, I'm going to actually move it, or... So kind of, the beat kind of alternates between the two. Yeah, and hopefully nothing happens, but I might have an issue happen later on. I don't know. Alright. Again, sorry I'm not talking that much because I'm really focused on doing this right now. As I explained, Tornado is currently on. Alright, see ya. Have fun. that's cool. Oh, the Wi-Fi works now? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's actually really cool. I like that. I left areas. Oh, what did I miss? Nothing, really. Yeah. Alright. Cool. Okay. Now I need to set up the bombs. Actually, I don't need to yet. I don't need to do that yet. Actually, you know, I'm gonna do that now. Because I'm bored. P underscore bomb origin. There, no triangle. What? There we go. Bomb origin. Bomb der. Which stands for direction. Just as I thought they left. Okay. Hey, it's been a while since you've done one of these. Yep. Hey, mister. Yeah, I thought I'd try to do it finally. I've been meaning to do it for a while. So I'm finally getting to it. Actually, no, I think I only need one bullet per. So instead of there being a direction parent, I just need to set up a, turn it into a origin parent. It's gone. It's fine. Yeah, I guess I'm just not saying enough, but that's fine. I'm not talking enough what I'm doing. So right now I'm just like, kind of just going through the process, just making the bullets, bullet bomb things. Yeah. So that's why I'm really silent, because usually when I do this stuff, I'm always pretty silent, and I don't really know what really to say when I'm doing it. Actually, I just realized I could just use prefabs for this. Yeah, I can't be bothered. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Kind of a weird bug that happens sometimes. I don't really know what causes it. No, I don't think that's what's supposed to happen. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. What the heck? Basically, it was just offset. Like it wasn't positioned, timed, or whatever. It wasn't timed correctly, so I had to try to duplicate it a few times to get it timed correctly. It's a little weird to explain because the way due to the way that the BPM snap works. Yeah, I don't know if I feel like animating Mage right now though. So I'll see if I can do something else. Hang on, let me check my messages real quick. Okay, I just read something that I'm very confused about. There's a meme where it's just it's one of those memes that are just like so bizarre and weird. Oh yeah, the Idols boss rush. Got a lot of more progress on that done. Tokyo Video Act 1. Not really sure what I want to open. You know what, maybe open robots, because I wanted to use this level for one of the first levels in Rhythm Tech, so I gotta make it. Oh yeah, that's right. I think this is actually supposed to be silver and not pink. Yeah, it could be that. I think the reason maybe the reason I'm like no one's really here right now is because of maybe my timing's wrong. And there. I'm there about. I was here, but I really hope it ain't about. I don't know. Like, here's the thing: not everyone in like live streams actually chat. That's the thing. Some people just sit there and watch. That's really just how it is sometimes. Okay. Something happened to me when I was in a stream with Manos. Everyone left but me. Oh. Okay. I guess that just happens sometimes. Oh, no, don't do that. Wait, I just realized I still have the BPM snapper on. Crap. How long have we gone for now? Oh, 3 hours already. Okay. At least that's what the live counter says. Yeah, 3 hours. Actually feeling tired. It's getting pretty late. It's pretty much 2 a.m. right now. I'll try streaming in different times and see what like works best. I did do a poll earlier, like a few months ago. I'm actually check my channel, playlists, notes community. If I go back a bit, I did ask, yeah, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. UTC, which converting that to my time, UTC. 5 p.m. Okay, so it's a bit late, I think. I'm streaming a bit late then. Or a bit later than I should be. So, yeah, I think it is I think I'm gonna sign up for now. I'll try streaming tomorrow again. Sometime tomorrow. Hopefully then... Or tomorrow... I don't know about tomorrow, actually. I'm always bad with schedules. I'm always bad with actually, like, trying to do, like, get into a schedule of doing things, but... Maybe. I don't know. It depends if I, like, feel like doing it tomorrow. But there is a chance I will see you guys tomorrow. It just depends. I don't know how I feel. So, yeah. I don't know how to really end this off, but... I'll see you then. Bye.